Hi, good evening. Good evening to all my viewers and my friends. Today I want to show my item is the chapati and sabji or curry. Chapati and curry everybody makes in the house, but I am going to show the most simplest form of curry and chapati dough done in a different way, which is easier for the children, youngsters to do it. So for my sabji I'll be using mixed vegetables. Some two potatoes, small potatoes I've cut into pieces, carrot, tomato, peas, cauliflower, onion and coriander for garnishing, and the simple salt, turmeric, chili powder, jeera powder and dhania powder. That's it. I'm not going to use any garam masala, any ginger garlic, nothing. This doesn't involve any mixy thing. You just have to cut your vegetables and do it. And let me first start my curry. Anybody, if they put all the vegetables in a pan and just forget it, if the curry is ready in 3-4 minutes, that is a boon. So today I want to show that way. I'm just lighting the stove. I'm just putting 1 big tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon. You can see the measure. This basically does not require any oil, much of oil. So the oil is spluttering. So I'm just putting my cut onions. These are 2 onions. Everything is 2 I took. 2 onions. I'll be sauteing it for 1 minute. Just 1 minute so that raw smell goes away. Now add your carrot, your potatoes, cauliflower and peas. Just give it a gentle mix. Now add your salt as per your taste. And add some water for it to cook. There is no measure for it. You can just add as per your requirement. See, it is just submerged in water, that's all. So that the vegetables need to cook. Just close the lid. Now let's start our chapati. Chapati, in YouTube you find lot of recipes how to do a chapati. But the basic problem for youngsters is to mix the chapati dough. That is a little cumbersome thing where you put water, you put the atta, your hands become sticky. So today I want to show a technique which your hands will be safe and your chapati atta is ready. Just let me show you. This is my container. This is a Tupperware container which I brought from Amazon. So this is a simple super storer. It is nothing but a simple dabba. You can use any other which has an airtight lid. So for this, just apply oil like this with your brush. Just apply oil with the brush so that the atta won't get stuck onto the sides. See, not much of oil. I am just applying it with a brush. The same way I am applying my oil even to the dish for the lid on the inside portion because the floor may touch it. Okay. We are done. Now the measurement what I took is 1 glass of 1 measure. So you can just take like this. I am taking 1 glass of wheat atta. I have put it in this, and I am taking half glass of water. Half glass of water to 1 glass of atta. Little I am skeptical, so I have put off little water. So because the glass is a very big one. Now I am not adding any salt to this. Since I have already added oil to this, and just sprinkling 1 or 2 drops of, see, that's all, a drizzle of oil. Now close the lid, push off the air. I watch my favorite TV show and I can do my atta. See, it becomes like this. Now because we have applied oil, nothing will be sticking onto it. Just gather all that. You don't need to knead the atta now. Just gather it with your hand. That's it. See the dabba where we have put the dough and the water, and it has become an atta. Now take it onto your plate. No need of keeping it for 10-15 minutes and then rolling your chapatis. You can just straight away take one ball, roll out and make your rotis. So let's get started for the rotis. My chapati atta balls are ready, and you can just see without any mess on the platform, our atta is ready. And see my hands. Nothing is there except because I am making balls of this, some atta nut got stuck. That's all. Now let's get started for the chapati. It's almost 5 minutes. And my vegetables are tender, they have cooked. Now let me add one by one my tomatoes and seasoning. This is my tomatoes. We have already added salt, so this is dhania powder. I am adding 2 teaspoons of dhania powder. Chili powder as per your requirement. A pinch of haldi and a pinch of jeera powder. It is a simple vegetable without any masalas, without any doing mixy thing. Simple. Let the tomatoes become tender and our curry is ready. my garnishing also. Give it a mix and just close the lid for 1 minute. Meanwhile, let me roll my chapati. This is the atta balls which we have made using my Tupperware store-all container. So just roll it like how you roll your normal chapatis. My rolled out chapati is ready. This I am not doing any folding or doing a paratha, nothing. It is a simple plain rolled out chapati. Now let me start doing my chapati. Now see, it has, I have not put any oil till now. Now I will be just brushing it with my brush. So these are the chapatis which I made. So not chapati, they are roti. For this glass of atta, 250 grams, I got 6 chapatis, 6 rotis. So that can be a measure which will be useful for many people. And I'll be serving that with our sabji which is already ready. And also I'll be serving it along with broccoli. Broccoli which I am not doing any masala stuff. I have just cut my broccoli, put it in the steamer. I have just put it in the steamer and just take nothing. See, in the electric rice cooker, I just put water and I put this steamer. That's it. And my steamed broccoli is ready. I'll just put a pinch of salt on that. No oil, nothing. Just a pinch of salt, which will give some taste for it. So I'll be serving my roti now. So I'll be serving my dinner like chapati with my mixed vegetable curry, my steamed broccoli and a slice of onion. It's a simple process which I maximum done in 20 minutes. So just try it and see the chapati in the simplest way. Radha signing off with cameraman Mohan.